Marine House by Bryant Alsop in Australia. Marine House represents a moment in time when the world was re-evaluating itself. In late 2020, we were tasked with the project of reimagining a somewhat tired 1980s compact project home into a lockdown and potentially long-term family home for a family of 6. We threw ourselves into the romance of all that a bush-inspired yet sophisticated family home could be. A private and beautiful, gum-lined setting provides the backdrop and inspiration for a palette of materials that is both relaxed and playful. The existing dwelling had relatively low ceilings and was economically built in its day. This took us down a path where horizontal views took precedence, and longer, lower spaces dominated. A large gabled new wing for children's bedrooms is linked to the original house by a lower glazed gallery. A second, gallery hall flanks the original building, creating a separate entry to the main bedroom suite. The floor plan has been likened to a pinwheel, and successfully creates public and private zones and separation for parents and children, while also taking advantage of opening up multiple vistas across the site. 2 long hallways are reminiscent of the owner's childhood memories of louvered beach houses and sleepouts, and contemporary louvered galleries were introduced that bring to life these memories of beach houses for a new generation. Set into solid black butt timber window joinery, the louvered assemblies allow for the house to be opened up at night and to catch the sea breeze. A separate freestanding studio speaks to the times also, providing a permanent workspace separate from the house. The reinvented house has quickly become a family home where children and parents alike can work and live in distinct spaces, and enjoy a creative and free quality of life.